My people, I salute you. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we are officially live on this page. We are officially live on this page. Let me try to share this on the other page. Welcome, welcome, my wonderful people. Good afternoon, my people. Welcome. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, let me share this in our group. My people. Uh-huh. Welcome, my people. I salute you. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, let's see how it goes on this particular page. Hopefully, our people. Let me go live here too. Let me go live on this one too. Welcome, my people. I salute you. Greetings, greetings. Hit the like button, please, and share with friends and family. I'm trying to get this page. Guys, thumbs it up, thumbs it up. Who will be the first commenter on this page? Yeah, I'm trying to get this on the speaks mix. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to get the new page. I want to set up the video through the link. Yeah. Welcome, my people. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome. This is where I want to be doing my videos now. I'm trying to paste this. Guys, like the page if you haven't done that. If anyone could. Also say try and marry. Stop her getting hope now. No go marry your sister. No go marry your useless sister. Njahi bubushie ike. Okay? You no go see me. There. Can't go live. Why can't I go live on the king of the game? What you concern me? Oh, good thing we have this one. Thank you, my people. Please hit the like button and share the video with friends and family. Good thing we have our backup pages, and this one is the one I will be using for my live videos. Please remember to follow the page. Let's roll. Welcome you. I want to welcome you officially to my first broadcast on this page. Have fun. The number where you give me. My brother, that phone lost now. That phone lost now in Kosan. So my people, gentle and makeup Remember when we were rejoicing about their buying? Then, even from that day, someone called me and said, no, that these people didn't buy, that what they expected to happen to them didn't actually happen based on the video you saw Gentle did that time. Now, I have like 3 different sources. Now, they are pointing to a place where they are. Umuawa in Okigwe. That's where they are now. Anybody saying otherwise, now will be the right time to release Gentle's body. If you people have it, now will be the right time to release photos of how they buy him, where he is, okay? But I can tell you categorically, my money will not be on Gentle being buy. No. My money is on Gentle being. I'm getting a call. Hello, one. Good afternoon. And I'm live. Yeah. Yes. And I'm live there. No, I just name a testing that time. Okay, one. Dalusa. My fan Victor. Muritala, I see you. Modum Dominic. So my people, Gentle and then Makeup have been cited by at least 3 different sources. So I don't know if after my video yesterday, they are going to leave Umuawa. And anything that makes them leave Umuawa, they are likely going to be at Onimo, LGA, Ishimweke, Ihitu Boma. Alright? Now, I'm still hearing Kepu that sometimes they go to Umuaka, which is in Jaba, LGA, to hide. I don't have that evidence. I have no evidence to that effect as at yet, but the place they saw them is Umuawa. Now, this takes us to one thing. Why would they, for the life of me, say they buy these people when they don't have the body? Even though you send somebody to buy him, why don't you confirm, demand a confirmation that they are KIA? If you don't have that physical confirmation that they are KIA, why then announce it to people? And you know, in a war like this, imagine an Igbo can ekuzoku war. There will always be fog of war. That's why the ministries, people in charge, should always vet every information they are bringing out. Okay? Because for me, I knew they were pursuing him, and I knew a couple or 2 of the groups that were after them. So when the news broke, I took it as face value because I got it from somebody within law enforcement. And this one came. We cannot say, oh, because we've announced it, we'll keep quiet pretending that they've buy. In fact, it's to the advantage that people are thinking they have buy when they have not. One, it will give them anonymity they crave because they were at the center of the storm. The noise was too much. I wouldn't put it beyond the politicians using them, even instigating that news in the first place. So all the people in Imo State informed the governor that this is not true, that Gentle and then Makeup are alive. Okay? Anybody that is saying otherwise should produce their bodies or a video of where they buy them. I'm going to stick with these people that gave me the information because these are people that I've been working with for long. Okay? They have not buy. These people are still alive. Hear it from me. So our struggle continues. They struggle to find each and every one of them. Okay, if they buy Gentle and these people, who claim the reward? Nobody. and the word be given, and they say they want to keep it anonymous. If they ever gave somebody any money in the name of bringing information that led to the buying of Gentle, let them collect their money from. At this point, I don't even want to strongly talk about the buying of Butuzo. Okay? Yes, there is a strong indication that Butuzo, no one goes with outside there. This Gentle owner makeup is not true. They've not buy. They are alive. Okay? You're right, they are not telling us the truth. They are not telling us the truth. Once more, my people, remember to like the page. This is not Undiluted Truth or the King of the Game. This is Ijele Speaks Remix. If you have followed Ijele Speaks in the past, this is a totally different one. Remember to like and follow the page. Invite some of our people who don't know that we are using the page now. Okay? We are not going to keep pretending that these people have buy when they have not. We are not going to keep our people in the dark. What about the people that are helping in these Okigwe operations? There is a reason they are running out from Igbo. What about those people that facilitated their exit from Igbo, their expulsion? Not that they exited because we pursued them. It's the locals that pursued them. The people that facilitated their expulsion from Igbo, from Umulolo, all these people, they may have that false sense of security and come back. Then these people, they have their informant who are still speaking with them. They will tell them they will come one night and buy these people. Okay? Some people from Okigwe are already planning to come back for the Xmas celebration. There is nobody who actually planned to go home this Xmas that hasn't bought his ticket. Any other person will be here, you know, I didn't see ticket, it be no plan, or you just jam emergency money that damn minute, then one go, you know, work again. You know, plan them. Anybody that is planning to travel has made his travel preparations. So for them not to go there with a false sense of security that Gentle has been eliminated, meanwhile he's still there, then they will meet face to face. We will know how it's going to end. Pass onya ata adekudi ma gebu onya hebu maka nke a bụ n'iwu ọ dị n'iwu na gebu the person. Iwu bụ na ha gebu the person. So don't go and take such risk. My people, spread the message. Gentle and the Jamaica are not bad. They are very much alive. So keep your eyes open again. If you have people at Unubi, if you have people at Umunze, if you have people at Onimo LGA, if you have people around this Umuawa and the other interior places in Okigwe, those Lokpanta people, be on the lookout. Any place you see these people, pass the message to us. Okay? All these boys that think these people have died and they want to be doing anyhow, your best escape from that camp remains to buy your commander. Operation Buy Your Commander is still active. All those people, no, they fear them, no bullets, they deflect for their body, na lie. Target them for head, knock them, he go fall. If that their bullets where they tell you say na water, na really water, they go down invade Tiger Base. They for don't invade that Tiger Base because now be the #1 place where they give the problem. As we talk about Gentle, we also talk about other LGAs in Ala Igbo. Those of you from Enugu, if you are from Ogu, if you are from Kebe Supermaster, hand my blank carry out on it. Ini. So just say the entire LGA, Ogu LGA. If you are from there and you really want this nonsense to stop, you have to reach out to me. There is not much you will do. We just need 1 or 2 information from you. That will be all. Those of you that are there writing me with a ghost account, oh, I'm afraid I'm this. I don't know what you're afraid of. Who is going to tell them you're the one that helped law enforcement? If you actually want to solve this issue that is in the Southeast, it does not hang on Nnamdi Kanu's release or imprisonment. is hinged on removing all these camps. There is nobody fighting for any Biafra for you. From gentle to the last person, they are all criminals. Okay? These people are all criminals, bloodsuckers, evil men. You owe them no allegiance. Nothing concern you, concern them. These people know they look out for your good. We as Igbo must stand up and stamp out this nonsense. These people have not died. Hear me again. These people have not died. If you have any vital information, please do not sit on it. Don't say tomorrow. Don't say in the evening. Don't say your immediate action. Expedited action is going to save someone's life somewhere. There is somebody that is breathing right now. He is going to be killed by another person that is breathing right now. And that your information can stop it. It is up to you. There is no gain in allowing these people operating on our soil. There is nobody coming to invade us. So you people, this one say free Nnamdi Kanu, come and free him. Nobody, hear this one now, nobody is going to free him. He must face trial. And after that, of course, he must be found guilty. He must be, there is nobody, no judge. No matter how corrupt that judge is, there is no judge who will not convict Nnamdi Kanu. Now, the problem is the type of sentence they will give him. And they are too proud to go for plea bargain. Of which going to plea bargain will mean admittance of guilt. And that is the guilt they don't want to admit, but they want to reap the reward of pleading guilty. No, you must plead it before you reap its reward. This is what must happen. So shouting free Nnamdi Kanu is not going to change anything. It's not going to free him. And the government will not say, oh, because Ndi Igbo are buying their fellow Ndi Igbo, we will release this one. It's a lie. Shebi now they talk say they hate us. So why do you think the people that hate you are going to release Nnamdi Kanu for you to stop buying yourself? It's not possible. It's either you know they don't hate you and you're using it as a propaganda. Because if you actually believe they hate you, why would you be buying your own same people? Because they refuse to release Nnamdi Kanu, it's not going to happen. My people, please hit the like button and share the video. Hit the like button and share the video. Let these photos, this photo, I'm going to also post it on my account. Spread this, spread the message. Let people be on the lookout for them. Let people be on the lookout for them. They may even be changing their looks now. Like cut their hairs or their beards. Be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. They may have cut their beards. I don't know. And okay, I will go and ask. So they tell me, always be mindful of somebody that wears hoodie. Anybody you see putting on hoodie that is almost their height, please look twice. Yes, they are still alive. They are still alive. And one day, please inbox me your number on the king of the game, Chijoke Paul. Inbox me your number on the king of the game, please. I will respond to you over there because I hardly open this one, let alone, unless this now that I've started using it for my live videos. You see how happy people were when they say that they buy these people. That shows you how disgusted our people are by the actions and activities of these people. These are not your people. These are not people that you should, for any reason, support. Whether giving direct material support or any other way whatsoever, do not, for any reason, like I can't for the life of me understand why people would look at these people and say, oh, because we are Ndi Igbo, oh, you are fighting your brother. What nonsense, brother? Eh? So, because no Igbo, ya je gburu eze ndị mmadụ na-agbada. because nọ ndị Igbo na a na-asụ Igbo ifuzie ihe ọjọọ imechi ọnụ oyi na-achọ ịgwa m ihe abụghị ọkwa nna m ga-eji eru ụmụahịa ọ bụghị ọkwa a na-afụ ka nna m ga-eji eru ụmụahịa. We need to stand up, tell the truth, and condemn every atrocity that is ongoing in our land. Please submit your information wherever you find them. Please, if you don't know who to reach out to, you can reach out to me, or you reach out to Ikenguru Agu, or even Jovika TV. Reach out to Jovika TV. Any of us would know what to do with the information when you bring it. So thank you so much, my people, for joining me. Right now, I'm going to go on TikTok. What's the time now? Okay. There's still a little bit time. Please, in the next 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, just 5-7 minutes, I will be on TikTok. Join me on TikTok with the same name, Ijele Speaks Remix. Remember to like and share the video with friends and family. Share to our people. They may be following us on the Big Masquerade, Undiluted Truth, or the King of the Game. Let them know this is where we are now doing our live videos for the moment. Once a while, we'll still be doing live videos on the King of the Game. But remind them, let them know that we are here right now. Please like and share the video, hit the like button, and follow the page. It's very important that we have our own backup account we'll be using to broadcast. Like I tried to go live on the King of the Game with the other device, it didn't work. You see, it's a good thing we did by opening this one, leaving it as a backup plan in case of any eventuality. Anyway, so it's what it is. Okay, Victor, if I Victor say add me, let me try and add you. Add you. Let me block one also. And we are still blocking Umokoko. Hello, good afternoon.
One day alpha.
I'm fine. Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Can you hear me? Go ahead.
I don't know about this surprising news now. Hey, and the mother now open 911 way now. Never close. Ndaje ma kwa ihe a ga-eme ihe ọbụkwa mmadụ rejoice gbacha rejoice chan na adịkwa wụọ ya n'ala. Hello?
No, we are going to this thing, their route is almost finished. They're almost like near to their last bus stop. It's saddening. I'm hearing
political. Yeah. It doesn't take anything to get those rats. These people are rats to me. Hello?
Of course.
These people are rats. I don't know why you take our Nigerian this thing, soldiers and their intelligence this thing to grab these guys. And here I want me see then with some gullible ones, Hanoro Hana support evil. Hana support evil, all in the name of Biafra and Abia. My brother, let me tell you the truth, Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
The truth is this. Anybody born of Igbo is a Biafran. And I am no more good temple. Before Guamakabi, our parents na who can they make any affect up till now? Obugo natural Biafran. Oburo na ka you say achota ya. Oburo by in a lay ambush to your own people. Na agbabusi ha. If Nigerian force people get na agbabu ha. Akwa nwanne anyị nwe edudi ya na abịa onye anyị edudi ya na abịa na-abịa ụlọ ha egbuo ya ka bọọ ya ka nkịta. Now those guys out there, they are not worthy to live. They are not worthy to live. And then they now support her. I pray that now each and every one of them now support those people. God died in a trap. In fact, they are blood brothers. God died in a trap.
He said,
ka ha fụ ka ọ na-esi adị. Ọ na-abụ eburu onye ozu onye ọzọ n'isi ọ dịka ebe ukwu nkụ. Ka mmadụ ga-esi na sọpọtụ ihe ọjọọ na sọpọtụ onye na-egbu mmadụ. Onye a ka eziri gị. Otu a ka esi wee mee ya ndị nna nna anyị ha wee lụọ ọgụ. No, God forbid. God forbid. Ihe mma bụ ogbu mma na-esi na mma ala, ogbu egbe ga-esikwa n'egbe ala. Onye si n'isi anyị na-awa aja, ọ ga-eji nke ya wee kwa. I just pray for you ka Chineke nna na-echekwado gị nnọọ ka ị na-aga n'ala. Mụrụkwa anya because
Umeheruya, that one day, I greatly appreciate. Thank you for your wonderful contribution. Yes. Everybody, yes. Please, and we need to stop mixing it up. Igbo and Biafra are not interchangeable. Please. Igbo is Igbo. Biafra is Biafra. Biafra started with Ojukwu and ended with Ojukwu. So all these people that are reviving it now, they know how they are winding themselves and they are winding themselves. All right. Biafra is Biafra. IPOB is IPOB. There are people who believe in Biafra but don't believe in IPOB. Ninas is for Biafra. Mazob is for Biafra. Soldiers of Justice, na Biafra. So many people shouting this Biafra thing, they are there. Then IPOB is IPOB. Now you have Igbo that detest the name Biafra. Okay? There are those of us who don't even want to be associated, like we feel insulted when anyone wants to link us with Biafra, let alone the whole Igbo race. It's not going to happen and we are not going to tolerate it. Thank you so much, my wonderful people, for joining us. Join us on TikTok right now. I'm going to go live on TikTok. Just within the next 3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes, you will see me live on TikTok. Once again, remember to like and follow the page. I'll see you over there. Thanks, my people.